We're going on a ferry today to Wolf Island, so I'm gonna get ready for that now. And also the weather is really nice. It's supposed to be like 18 to 19 degrees, which is like so good. And I love my top. Hold on. Yeah, I like my outfit. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready and I need to charge this camera and I want to like film. Yeah, I'm just gonna film on this camera because my other camera is charging. Also, I forgot what time we were going at, and right now I just realized it's at 2, and right now it's 1:23. This camera, I feel like it looks so I look sick in this camera. In the mirror, it looks good. I don't know if it's just the lighting. I mean, it's fine. It's literally fine. No, I thought, for some reason I thought it was 3 instead of 2.
Okay, so we're doing 3?
Yeah. Oh no, it's not 11 minutes. That's crazy. Like, why do I look so dead? Like, sick, not dead. Okay, I think that works. Now this bracelet, it's so pretty. Dude, it's so pretty. Ouch. This is my earrings. And some that match all this.
चल बाय फिर मिल जा बेटे
Siete qua?
Io sto facendo, no, London Leicester la quarta.
यार क्या बकवास देखने दे यार कोई एक भी अच्छी नहीं है कार बकवास
अरे यार इट्स परफेक्ट एंगल है लेकिन तुम्हें देख नहीं रहा होगा.
He is so pretty with the light. And so
कितने कैमरे से यार? 2 3 कितने? अच्छा मेरे को दूसरा कैमरा, मेरे को उस कैमरे से खींचना वो अच्छा लग रहा। वाओ, नेचर्स ब्यूटी, मदर नेचर herself. Oh my God. ऑली याद आ रही है। ओए ऑली जैसे नहीं दिख रही थोड़ी? सब कैमरे खींच रहे हो कितने क्या?
Oh wait, Adiraj, say
It's a video.
say hi, Adiraj. Say hi. Did you do the sparkly thingy?
He's taking selfies. He's taking selfies.
Taking selfies. The boys taking selfies. पता नहीं।
मेरे पैर तो बहुत सही।
Smile, laugh.